I'll feel embarrassed.
Na correct thing to her, but me I no like her. Because I go spoil my other package.
And when I'm part of the game now, na love now.
So the best thing is to just free the girl.
Me I no fit talk sha because sometimes it dey be love, sometimes it dey be arty.
All right. Now welcome back. Yes, when I see the matter we dey talk about today, and it dey really heated up inside this bar. Say if you get partner with to the gun body, na good thing. That's the matter we dey talk about. Now, Shakara, sincerely, how you go take am? If you get babe, we get some babes wey be say they will tell you, I like seeing my man every day. Every day I like seeing my man. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and even on Sunday. She wants to see you, even if it's just 30 minutes. Now, how would you cope when you get that kind of babe? If she see you...
Listen, listen. You know love is not stupid, Abi. If I'm in love with you, I'm coming.
For love, you can do
But
anything.
you ask a question now. But you ask a question now.
You never hear any phrase where say love is stupid.
Okay, but they say love is
love is
wicked.
blind.
But they say love is wicked.
Love is wicked and music. Than music. Now wait. No, serious now. Now, everybody, except you the married person will be say maybe you will get small mental problem. You understand? But normal person suppose no say at this point this guy is working or is doing this. But when you are not working,
Hold up, Ugo. He's now coming to us.
no wait now.
No, now you're not trying to. Now you're trying to be more. You're now trying to tell the person how the person should come. No, what you are doing now is that you are now telling the person how to come.
How to gum.
That means you are doing that overcoming.
You know that
You know that overcoming
Shakara
is
working.
good.
Shakara bring work. Now this last before we go that break, I can't bring work.
Yes, now there are some girls.
If you are working, person come dey choke you. That one choke
You don't use the word
There are
choke
some
now.
girls. No.
She show you love.
It's still
She's in love
love.
with you.
She cares about you.
But we say that choking.
You give
say
example. The last time I remember, they record everything for this my head.
Okay.
Say you go Portland. Galaxy come. Say the
He
guy
want
go
go
peace.
peace.
He follow
Follow
am.
am.
Peace. Is there anything wrong? Why I won't follow my guy?
I'm not saying
You go
anything
peace.
is wrong, but it's wrong. Let me tell you. Let me tell you why. I have seen this a whole lot.
It's not working there in the relax. It's not doing. It's
My
not in the
brother,
meeting. It's not in the
It is
meeting.
seen as
Wait now.
most people they see them as insecurity.
Oh no, nah. Listen.
You are not confident.
Wait. That place, nah, place for relaxation. It no be meeting, no be work, no be anything.
And you can. And the toilet is here.
Then
you can see the toilet.
Then my guy.
But you know, Portland, you can see the toilet from where you are sitting.
We are seeing it.
Abi?
But
you
if my
can
girl
see the
choose
toilet.
to follow me,
So why don't you enter the toilet? So why you don't enter inside the female toilet? Now girl they follow the girl.
That's what she
wants. The girl they follow am.
That's what Oyibo men wey dey do amuko. Why you not say insecurity?
You know what Oyibo? Let me tell you.
Why
Oyibo get one kind of stupid kind of love.
You say na stupid kind of love. Say am now.
Let me tell you, Shakara. Let me tell you.
The word for it is romantic.
No,
it's been very romantic.
There is a clear way to be romantic. There are some men wey go dey gum you. They press button they want to gum just because they want get information from you. They want to no be anything no. They just anyway. Hey, where are you, baby? Where are you?
Remember?
They are not confident or trust. Say you fit dey where you say you dey. At that moment, I don't dey with babe. I don't dey with baby inside hotel. You understand? We dey there. Her boyfriend they call him. Not where they happen no. But the guy was calling him every minute of the way. What did the girl tell me? She said, "This is my boyfriend. That I don't know somehow.
I remember you said it that day.
This intuition."
But remember the foundation of which I started.
Which is
if the person is your serious relationship, he or she has the right to gum you.
Yes, that's right.
When you are not working, understand?
Even at that.
Except not be your
Even
serious
at
relationship.
that.
Yes, right.
Listen to me.
That's right.
Shakara,
Yes.
let me tell you something. Your
But if
serious
I dey friend
relationship.
girl I love, if I dey enter ShopRite, if she won't hold my hand like this,
But you don't say
like this.
I don't say anything bad though.
But you don't say
Fine,
right.
though.
But
You don't say anything bad for that one,
though.
no.
Let me tell you, there are some girls, we or some lovers, we no even allow make you call another female. That's how possessive they are. How gummy they are.
That one is between the two of you.
Oh, yes,
No.
smiling.
When you don't smile, when you don't smile.
Say you dey against me hugging other babes.
Yeah.
That means you don't trust me.
You don't say that because you know you always hug girls. Now you want to tell the girl how
means
what
you
no,
don't trust
she
me.
is gumming you all the way. She
It
does
is
not want to
gumming.
hear that she sees you even hugging a girl or you leave her for 1 minute.
Okay, man, give you one
Without
example.
you, she will
That's
die.
the talk now.
That's a
Shakara,
different-
so
that's a
if I
But
tell
wait. Hold on.
That is a
One
different
question now.
context.
So
Get
if your
I
girl
want
tells
something.
you, if your girl tells you that Shakara, I cannot live any minute of my life without you. Wherever you work, we'll form a company together. We must eat together. If you're not with me, I will die. Is that love?
Shakara,
Is that
no,
love?
before you answer this, I'm gonna ask you.
You know
Wait,
possible
listen,
such things don't
listen,
happen. Nobody can
who tell you
live
say no,
this
they happen.
minute of life.
Listen
They
to
happen.
me.
It
This
happen.
one where you bring now.
Listen, fair wait, before you answer.
Security, no be.
Oh yeah,
Now
listen.
waiting overcoming
Now,
they
Now,
cause.
how you
You
go
cannot
feel?
force it.
You talk, I'm not saying you dey enter ShopRite, you know bad make your girlfriend hold you, abi? Now, as you enter that ShopRite where your girlfriend hold you, can't see your friends or your colleague for office. When so they play well. You need your
Baby,
girlfriend.
my-
Wait, you
So
need your
she go
girlfriend.
customer
Come go
don't give
hug
her-
them. As you dey hug them, she waka piam. Just they go. It don't change face, nothing. It just they go.
Say you
We
leave
get
her.
babes when they do like that.
No be-
He go
no
say
be
why
your-
you
Do
leave
you
her.
know?
No be your
Do you
real
know?
love,
Do
that
you
no be your
know?
real
Do
love,
you
that.
know?
Your real
And
love,
the babe when you love. Why you dey talk like this now?
I want you to know that there's a difference between someone's character and love.
I know difference.
You need to know there's a difference. The fact that somebody is black does not mean the person does
The
not love
person
you.
does not love you.
Now,
There are
moments.
love.
There are moments. There are moments. I don't care about
even
love.
if you never fall in love, you don't take time to investigate what love be. If this person love you, he go love your friends. You see your colleagues, Sabi, who
Nah, lie,
all those kind of things.
Shakara, there are some
No be
women that
everybody,
will
there
not
are
give
some
a
guys that
damn
love
about
you.
your friends or
No be
anybody.
real relationship.
There are some
You
guys
don't
that
say
will tell
wetin?
you, are you loving my
It's
friends?
not a
Must you
real
love my
it's
friends?
not a real
Must you love my
relationship.
friends?
Shakara,
Even
Must
though
you love my friends?
even though she don't love them, she will not fry, she will not walk.
I have
walk away.
clearly told you.
Because
I have
they say
I have
hello.
My
dated a young
neighbor,
girl
no,
that's done that
exactly.
so many times.
They
Shakara,
don't know
my
wetin relationship be.
neighbor,
You don't
my
know-
neighbor,
you don't
my
know-
neighbor,
they don't know wetin love
my
be.
neighbor fell in love with somebody. I tell you that the story be the last time we are there here. We don't go fall in love with somebody where we know say that the wrong person we go fall in love with. Now we cannot even see this guy because the guy clearly believes that every one of us say we one day discourage the guy. We know say you don't use jazz hold the guy. So we dey want to talk to the guy. The guy don't want to hear
Say
anything.
they see the foundation. Now that's not love.
I'm not telling you now.
That's
But
not
from
love.
the
That
girl
means she don't want to
side,
hear anything.
she don't want to hear.
I'm
Maybe
talking
this
about
is
real
one away.
and undiluted love.
Where we
How
this
you
is
want
your
to know the
opinion.
diluted love?
When we come back,
Alcohol?
we talk more. We dey come
No,
back
alcohol?
up anyway.
Wait,
Which
what's
of your
diluted?
diluted love?
Undiluted
No,
love.
I no go know now.
Other who tell you?
I beg you.
Na love now. I like and die.
That type of thing, not say the guy like you. The guy is in love with you. That is why it's coming. You know, some guys, they don't like release their girlfriend. Or some babes, they know they like release their guy. They serving gumbo. Like me, I just do one they gumbo do well. So, even my guy too. So, it's the best way. To me, it's the best way. But you need to use sense, follow him.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now still BOBOS and we dey do for here inside this bar, live and direct, where we dey gist, they talk all their church and things them. Now, if you just dey join us, you don't miss plenty because matter what they talk about and say, if you get partner, we like to the gun body, it go dey make sense.
You see, I want clear the air and try to help you too.
But why be say most of all these ladies
No,
they talk
you can't
say
help
na
me.
love,
No,
na
no,
love,
no.
na love, na love, na
Because
love,
On
na
this
love.
one, you can't help me because I know my standard. I know what I'm talking
Now,
about.
let me explain to you. Hold on. When a girl or a guy, you understand, is in love with you, now where are these signs of gumming? There are people who naturally don't date for their whole life, even with their parents, with their mothers, never fit live their life without somebody. I have a couple of friends who don't even live for house without alone. So they say they inside house alone. They feel one die. They fear, they see one thing, not in the house. So now, such people, you understand, don't carry those attributes, those characters can't enter inside relationship. The person love you. But if person love you, can't they tell you, say, now I won't come up from the government, I won't find something now where person will love you, tell you, say, Shakara, I don't want you to go to that bar anymore. And go and sit down with
you make
those.
am very clear.
I'm coming.
You don't come up from the government because
I'm
that's
coming
not
now.
government.
Wait now. person tell you
That's
say
different
Shakara
problem.
I'm coming now, hear me now. Say maybe they tell you, the person say don't go to that bar. You know say you now knowing say this person love you. You should listen, Abi. At least say, let me take this man. I know she loves me. The girl loves me. So I'm just telling you that if someone is also gumming your body too much, that don't really mean say person don't love you. He love you, but it's a bad side of love.
How can it be a bad side
If
of love?
it's too much, it's bad.
Shakara,
Now.
there's something I want to tell you
don't
that
understand
there's a
though.
difference between
I don't
love
think
and
understand.
character.
The person know they do am for a walk, no they do am disturb your meeting, do am disturb your listening. When you are relaxing, I can't relax with you.
No, we're saying every moment, Shakara.
Like
We're telling you overcoming.
like now.
Overcoming. The
Don't,
topic is-
now.
don't
the
exaggerate
topic.
it. Don't
No,
come and
like now,
exaggerate things
like
here.
now, for
Please
instance
don't take
now.
it when
What
you
is
exaggerate.
the topic again? Let him
When
really
you
get
two
it.
gum body. Now,
When
for
you two
instance,
gum
now,
body.
every time we be saying at your break, the girl they always come every day.
Yes, it's
your break period, she always
okay.
come. It's okay by you.
Okay.
From
As
Monday
far
to
as saying on my
Sunday.
break,
You know, say the day.
as far as saying on my
The
break,
day where you,
It's okay.
The day where you go stop, where you don't go wait that particular maybe one Wednesday, you can't get one meeting.
Then
and
I
you try to say, you know they don't spoil our whole day.
how? See now, you see when they get that wrong.
But sure you know.
Person, when
dey
you
try
don't
let
be like
you
the
know say
woman
na
when
so
they give
women
money,
be.
when they buy gift for every of her birthday, then they come get birthday when you no buy for her, then it go cause problem.
Why you no go buy for her on that
They
birthday?
come nah. This one no go here. They use small picking eye take they look love. Love pass wetin they look. Now you dey buy. Listen o.
Old man where they in love.
dey come o.
Old man where they in love. I want to
Wait,
see how many
you
girlfriends
dey
where you don't. See,
Listen
stop
to this
saying things.
illustration
Stop
first.
saying things
You
from
say
the
you don't
angle.
do am
Say,
again.
how many girls you don't
If
do
you
that
dey
for?
buy present for your wife or girlfriend every year, 1 year you no come buy, then that girl come take am against you, even lead to many quarrel and relationship breakup. Listen, let me tell you who that girl is. The wrong girl.
Let me also tell
You
you.
understand? Very
Ogo,
wrong.
The policy Shakara has.
You
is that
understand?
He don't realize say
Many girls-
this no be dating.
Many girls. Now me carry tell
If
you. Now
na
you don't realize.
marriage,
Now
if
you
na
don't realize.
marriage, so when you go live all your life with, and every second of the day you want to gum your body. You don't even when couple dey on top
You say
bed.
every second. You dey say every second.
Now
Who
too
does-
much gumming now.
Nobody does
They
every
do
second.
it.
Too
They
much
are
gumming
cool
what
like
they
that.
talk. Too much
Do you know that even on your matrimonial
Too
bed?
much gumming what would they talk?
Yeah.
You know they can't go every second. Who can gum every second?
Oh, that
If
means-
the other person na
Oh, that
handicap,
means
you don't get
that
anything
means
to do.
that means
Too
every
much gumming what they
second.
talk.
That
They
means
say,
every second is
anytime
bad.
when I go out,
That means every second is bad.
nobody can gum me every second.
Eh,
Yeah,
but-
but
but that
Now,
means it's
for
bad,
you, gumming.
nobody can gum me every second.
To the
sir.
gum every time.
Who tell you?
basically.
Too much of gumming.
How far? Too much of
Too
gumming
much
for
of
you
gumming
is on point.
love is on point. You gum very well. Say because now when you don't do am too much, now they come notice say this person the gum person. Abi? Because if you don't too much, if you know too much, nobody go notice. Say
See,
this one they
it
gum.
even happen for even our office, but I don't want to call him because they're my good friends. But once you begin the gum, I don't see, and I go tell you after we don't leave here. But from these two way we say, once you begin the gum, you understand? From the guy's side,
men will
they
always
begin the
prepare
choke.
themselves on how to cheat. How to cheat.
See who they want
Even
cheat.
for marriage.
See.
No be say I
Who
don't
you dey
want
try
cheat.
impress?
But I don't prepare myself.
No be say you know what you be cheat.
It just be like say you
be cheat.
wake up today now. When you pray to God finish, you can't say today I will sin. I won't sin here. But we know say we dey fall short of the glory of God. We dey only sin.
But you know say now when they get
the plan.
when they get the
You cannot plan on how to cheat on your.
Now here we go back with you come today. I just go tell you say anyhow we take pay you. Now make you take work on your relationship. The best things now make you do for yourself. Do the right thing. Make sure you keep your relationship going. Be romantic. Be loving. And as I say, and as Auntie Shakara will always say, love is the most important thing in this world. Till tomorrow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.